Hey there, your website is one of your most valuable assets, but it can actually be detrimental to your business if you're not maintaining it properly. So here are 7 website maintenance tasks you should be doing to keep your site working for you and not against you. The first is regular content updates. You want to keep things fresh, engaging, and ultimately relevant. The second is speed optimization. A faster website means happier visitors and better site rankings. The third is mobile responsiveness. It's a must in today's mobile-driven world, especially for e-commerce stores. The fourth is security checks. You have to protect your site against cyber threats that could harm your reputation. The fifth, SEO audits. Keep an eye on your search engine rankings and organic traffic. The sixth, you've got to fix those broken links. Ensure smooth navigation for all of your visitors. And finally, backup and recovery. Always be prepared for the unexpected. Try implementing these tactics on a regular basis and watch your website thrive. But if time is tight, there's WebPulse, our strategic website maintenance service where we do all the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on your core business. Stay on top of your website game. I'm Haley from Syzmic, and thank you for watching.